In this video, I'll show you how to share pre-filled form links for faster responses. This quick and simple process can save you tons of time, especially when you need to gather information from your audience or customers quickly. Stick with me to the end because I'll also share an exclusive way for you to get started using the best software for this, absolutely free. First, let's talk about why you'd want to share pre-filled form links. Imagine sending a link to someone and having them only fill out the essential details. No more back and forth. You get the responses you need without all the extra steps. You can save time, and so can they, making your workflow much more efficient. So how do you create and share these pre-filled links? It's easier than you might think. We'll be using software to create our pre-filled forms. The one I recommend in this tutorial has an intuitive interface that simplifies the whole process. The first thing you need to do is create your form. Whether it's for a survey, a lead capture form, or just gathering simple information, start by selecting your software and building your form with the necessary fields. Next, look for the option to pre-fill your form. This will often be in your form builder's settings or options for customizing the form link. You'll enter the values you want the form to be pre-filled with. This could be anything from a name, an email, or even a custom message. Once you've set everything up, the software will generate a unique pre-filled link. This link will already contain the data you entered. Now, instead of having your respondents fill in every single field, they only need to fill in the blanks. Now comes the best part, sharing the link. You can easily send this link via email, SMS, or social media. What's great is that anyone you send the link to will instantly see the pre-filled information, speeding up the process and increasing your response rate. And if you're using the right software, you'll also get tracking and analytics. You'll be able to see who has filled out your form and whether they've completed the necessary fields. This is especially helpful if you're sending out a lot of forms or need to monitor progress. The software we're using today makes this process seamless. It doesn't matter if you're creating a simple form or a more complex one, this software has you covered. And the best part? I've got an exclusive free trial for viewers of this channel. So if you want to follow along with this tutorial and make sharing pre-filled form links a breeze, just check out the link in the description below. To wrap things up, the key takeaway here is that sharing pre-filled form links is a game changer for getting faster responses from your audience. By reducing the effort on their end, you increase your chances of getting the information you need quickly and efficiently. Remember, if you're serious about streamlining your process, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. Give it a try and see how much easier it can make your workflow. To recap, we created a form, pre-filled it with necessary data, generated a link, and shared it for faster responses. Simple, right? Don't forget to grab your free trial of the software below and start making your form process faster today.